Your Android phone might be giving apps more access than you think. Even if you've turned off tracking, hidden permissions could still let apps use your camera, microphone, and location without you realizing it. In this video, I'll show you every dangerous Android permission you should disable right now before it's too late. Let's protect your privacy and take control of your phone again. Why permissions matter. Most apps ask for permissions when you install them, but what you don't realize is that many apps keep using those permissions quietly, even when you're not using them. For example, a flashlight app that asks for camera and location access, a game that requests microphone permission, or a wallpaper app that wants to see your contacts and files. Crazy, right? These permissions let apps listen, track, or even record your data in the background. Let's fix that, step by step. Step 1. Check and remove dangerous permissions. Go to Settings, Privacy, Permission Manager. Here you'll see all the sensitive categories: location, camera, microphone, files and media, contacts, call logs, SMS. Now let's review each one carefully. 1. Location permission. Go to Location. See all apps with this permission. Turn off access for apps that don't need your location, like photo editors, games, or file managers. Set it to Allow only while using the app, or Deny. Microphone permission. Go to Microphone. See all apps with this permission. You'll be shocked. Some apps record audio without reason. Turn off the microphone for apps that don't use voice features, like notes, camera, or banking apps. Bonus tip: in Android 12 and above, you can disable the mic system-wide. Swipe down, tap Mic Access toggle to off. Camera permission check. Which apps are allowed here? Social media and video call apps needed, but games and shopping apps do not. Turn them off. Also, in Android 12 Plus, there's a camera access toggle. Switch it off when you don't need it. Files and media access. This is one of the most abused permissions. Apps can read your photos, documents, and downloads. Go to Files and Media, see all apps, and turn off access for anything that doesn't truly need it. Choose Media Only instead of All Files Access if available. Contacts and call logs. Apps don't need access to your contacts unless they're messaging or dialer apps. Go through these permissions and deny unnecessary access. SMS permission. Many apps misuse SMS access to read your verification codes or messages. Allow it only for banking or OTP-related apps. Step 2. Privacy Dashboard Overview. Now let's see which apps have used these permissions recently. Go to Settings, Privacy, Privacy Dashboard. Here you can see exactly which app accessed location, camera, microphone. If you notice an app accessing these too often, that's a red flag. Tap the app name and revoke the permission instantly. Step 3. Additional tips for maximum privacy. Turn on Ask Every Time for sensitive permissions. Get unused apps disabled or uninstalled. Regularly check Permission Manager every few weeks. Avoid granting permissions when the app first launches. Tap Deny unless absolutely necessary. On Android 13 Plus, use Photo Picker. It lets you share specific photos, not your entire gallery. Step 4. System level settings to check. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy, Safety and Emergency. Emergency Location Service. Turn it off if you don't want automatic tracking. Then, Settings, Privacy, Usage and Diagnostics, turn off. This stops background system data from being sent to Google. And that's it. You've just stopped your Android from sharing your private data with random apps and hidden services. Boy, now your phone is cleaner, faster, and safer. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe to Mendit Tech for more smart tech fixes, and share this video with friends who care about their privacy too. Drop a comment. Which permission shocked you the most?